Good day, everyone. Welcome to our math classroom with your teacher Dan. For today's video, we're going to study how we're going to find the base if the missing is the base, what we're going to do. So 30% of blank is 12. So 30 here is your rate. And 12 it is your percentage. So the missing here is your base. In our second triangle, if the base is missing, we're going to divide the percentage by our rate. So we're going to apply your division skills. So we have two ways how we're going to find the missing base. The first way is by changing your rate back into a fraction, which is 30 all over 100. So after that, we're going to change that to multiplication by making your divisor as the reciprocal. So we have 100 all over 30, the reciprocal. And we can apply your cancellation method here to make it smaller. This is divided by 6, it makes 5, divided by 6, that is 2. And also we can cancel here, we have divided by 5, it's 20, divided by 5, it's 1. So 2 times 20, it's 40, and 1 times 1, it's 1. So we can say that 30% of 40, it's 12. So the missing is 40. The second way is by changing your rate into a decimal. So by moving two places, we make 30% into 0.3. Okay? And after that, we're going to divide 12 by 0.3. So the rule in division of decimals, we're going to make our divisor as a whole number. So we're going to move one place here. It makes 3. And also we're going to move one place here. So that is we're going to make 120. So we have 12 divided by 3. That is 4. Multiply by 3. It is 12. Subtract it, 0. Bring down 0. So divided by 3. It makes 0. And 0 times 3 is 0. So our answer also is 40. So that is the two ways how we're going to find the missing base. Let's have another example, number 2. So we have 26 is 40% of. So we have 26 beside is, that is your percentage, and the rate is 40. So the missing is your base. So the first way, we're going to change your rate into a fraction, which is 40 all over 100, and we're going to make the reciprocal of it, which is 100 all over 40. So we can do cancellation method. So we have 40 divided by 2, it's 20. 26 divided by 2, it's 13. We can also cancel 100 by 20. So that is 5. And 20 divided by 20, it's 1. So we have 13 times 5. So that is 15. Carry 1, that is 65. All over 1, we can say that the answer is 65. And the next one, the second way, we're going to change 40% into decimal by moving two places. So 40%, that is 0.4. So we're going to divide 26 by 0.4. So we can change this to whole number. We're going to move one place here, that is 4. Also, we're going to add 0 here. So 26 divided by 4, the answer is 6 times 4, it makes 24. Subtract it. So 6 minus 4, it's 2, and bring down 0. 20 divided by 4, it's 5. So 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract it, 0. So we get also the same answer, 65. Let's do the last example. 2.4 is 30% of blank. So the first way again, we're going to change 30% into a fraction. So we have 2.4 over 1 divided by 30 all over 100, and we're going to change that multiplication by the reciprocal of 30 all over 100, which is 100 all over 30. So we can do cancellation method here. So we're going to cancel 30 and 100, so that is divided by 10, that is 10, and this also is 3. Okay, and we can now multiply 2.4 times 10, that is 24 all over 3. So we can divide 24 by 3, so it gives us 8. So the answer here is 8. So the second way, again, we're going to change the rate into a decimal. So 30%, moving 2 places, so that is 0.3. And we're going to divide 2.4 by the whole number of this. We're going to move 1 place here, so it makes 3. And also we're going to move here. So it becomes 24. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. We subtract it, 0. So we get the same answer, 8. So that's it. It's how we're going to find the missing base. Divide the percentage by our rate. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.